This could be the car for you. The 2020 Dodge Journey. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a versatile Dodge Journey that offers the family-friendly space and convenience you're looking for at a surprisingly affordable price. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, moonroof, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, third row seat, alarm. Convenient versatility meets impressive value in this well-equipped Journey. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.